Welcome to ISL-enabled Virtual Lab of CSIR.
Fatigue Crack Growth Test. Introduction. This video demonstrates fatigue crack growth test performed on a test sample. From the fatigue crack growth test, we will be able to determine the rate of propagation of crack for a specified load. This rate of propagation of crack is important for an engineer to assess the damage of a structural component and determine its remaining life. It helps the engineer in deciding the inspection and maintenance schedule. Equipment. Universal Testing Machine, UTM, is used for performing the fatigue crack growth tests. UTM is a fatigue-rated servohydraulic equipment. It can apply cyclic load to a test specimen. They are connected to a controller which is used for operating the UTM. The controller also records the load, displacement and number of cycles data during the test. Crack length is monitored using digital camera images. These recorded data are then used for determining the rate of propagation of crack. Specimen. Eccentrically loaded single-edge crack tension specimen. Fatigue crack growth test samples are fabricated as per ASTM E647M standard. There are three types of specimens that are used for fatigue crack growth test. They are compact tension specimen, C, T, middle tension specimen, M, T, and eccentrically loaded single-edge crack tension specimen, ESE, T. In this demonstration, ESE, T, specimen is shown. Test arrangement. The specimen to be tested is connected using U-clamps and placed in the UTM. The U-clamps are held in position by grips. Summary. From the fatigue crack growth test, we get crack length and number of cycles data. By processing these data, we will be able to determine the rate of propagation of crack for a specified load. These properties are used by the engineer in assessing the damage of a structural component and determine its remaining life and helps the engineer in deciding the inspection and maintenance schedule.